Hi, this is Teacher Maria of TheQsAcademy. Today, join with us as we build spelling skills for grade 4 pupils. Week 1, and we also have quiz. So let's start now. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe TheQsAcademy. Lessons worth learning. Week 1. Bridge. Bridge. Say it with me. Bridge. Bridge. Gravity. 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 Hungry. 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 Eclipse. 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 Say it with me. Eclipse. Secret. 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 Applaud. 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 Laundry. 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 Say it with me. Laundry. Trouble. 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 Attract. 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 Say it with me. Attract. Attract. Twilight. 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 Between. 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 Describe. Describe. Say it with me. Describe. Describe. Snowflake. 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 Freedom. 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 Say it with me. Freedom. Freedom. Slimy. 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 Say it with me. Slimy. Glance. 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 Burglar. 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 Say it with me. Burglar. Switch. Switch. Say it with me. Switch. Switch. Now let's have a spelling quiz. Which word is spelled correctly? Is it A, B, C, and D? Correct. It's letter D. Bridge. Bridge. Choose the correct spelling of the word that means force pulling things down. A, B, C, D. Look at the spelling properly. And it's letter B. Gravity. Gravity. Which word means feeling the need to eat? A, B, C, D. Which is right? It's letter D. Hungry. Hungry. Which word refers to when the moon blocks the sun? A, B, C, D. Which is the correct spelling? Letter A, eclipse. Eclipse. Which word means something kept hidden? What is the correct spelling of the word secret? Correct. Letter C, secret. Which word means to clap in approval? Which is correct? Letter A, applaud. Which word means clothes that need washing? Clothes that need washing, which is the correct spelling. Correct. Letter B, laundry. Laundry. Which word means difficulty or problems? Difficulty or problems. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C or D? Correct. Letter D, trouble. Trouble. Which word means to pull or draw in? Which is the correct spelling of the word attract? Exactly. Letter B, attract. Attract. Which word refers to the time between sunset and darkness? Which is correct? Look at the spelling properly, carefully. It's correct. Letter A, twilight. Twilight. Which word means in the middle of two things? In the middle of two things. What is? Look at the words carefully. Exactly. Letter C, between. Between. Which word means to explain in detail? To explain in detail. Look at the spelling carefully. That is correct. Letter C, describe. Describe. Which word means a small piece of snow? A small piece of snow. Check the spelling carefully. In three, two, one. Exactly. Letter D, snowflake. Snowflake. Which word means the state of being free? The state of being free. Is it A, B, C, D? Which is correct? What's the spelling of the word freedom? Exactly, letter B, freedom. Freedom. Which word means covered in slime? What is the correct spelling of the word slimy? Letter A, slimy. Slimy. Which word means who steals? Oh, is it letter A, letter B, letter C, and letter D? Burglar. Letter A, burglar. Which word means to change from one thing to another? Exactly, that is switch. But which is the correct spelling of the word switch? Letter? Exactly, letter D, switch. Switch. Which word means to look quickly or briefly? To look briefly or quickly? Exactly, glance. But which is the correct spelling of the word glance? Is it A, B, C, and D? Exactly, letter D. Glance. Glance. When we learn new words, we are reminded that communication is part of God's design to build up and not to break down. Let your conversation be always full of grace, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how to answer everyone. Colossians 4:6. I hope you have learned something new today. This is Teacher Maria of the TheQsAcademy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your friends and comment down below what will be our next topic. Thank you and God bless.